Hello people and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be talking about how long it takes Amazon to approve different types of books onto the marketplace. So people, just before we start this video, if you found this video enjoyable, if you like this video, if you found it helpful in any way, then do be sure to like and comment. These likes and the comments definitely fire me up. The main motivation for me starting this channel is to help as many people as possible in publishing. So it lets me know that I'm heading in the right direction when you guys like and comment. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to like and comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then be sure to subscribe as well. And of course, be sure to join my Facebook group if you're serious about self-publishing. We're a community of over 1,200 of us now, and we've all got the mutual goal of finding success through publishing. The link for this is in the description below. And lastly, guys, if you haven't checked it out already, then be sure to check out the Royalty Accelerator course, especially if you're looking to take your publishing business to the next level. It's a really good course with some actionable information in here. There's a really good community and there's a lot of success as well, as you can see from the testimonials down here. I really couldn't recommend it enough. If you click in the link in the description below, it should be 25% off the price of this course as well. So there's a nice little bonus there. But without further ado, guys, let's jump into this video. So people, no messing around in this one as your time is valuable. I'm going to go straight into what I have found. And what I have found is that there are generally two different groups of books. One of them takes really quick, so it could be anywhere between 1 to 3 days. And the second group takes between 7 to 10 days or even longer. Obviously, these waiting times are prone to change. So as of November 2020, this is what we found so far. So basically everything in this list here takes 7 to 10 days at the moment. So notebooks, so anything with lines in them, even if it has got some text in there like quotes, for example, logbooks, journals, so that if you watched my free profitable niches video that I suggested that there's a notary journal, I literally published it a day before I made that video, so in the November the 8th, and by November the 17th it got accepted. So that one in itself took 9 or 10 days to get accepted, and that was a journal and the sort of a logbook as well. So guest books are included in this. Diaries, I've tried to upload a lot of diaries and planners, so 2021, and these have been stuck in review for 7 to 10 days as well. I think some are even topping that up, so it could be 11, 12 days before you get them live. So the books that are taking 1 to 3 days, so these are a lot quicker. Again, like I say, these are also prone to change. But generally speaking, activity books, coloring books, puzzle books, and high content are all taking 1 to 3 days. There's other types of books in there as well. If it's got content in it, so like I don't know, like if it's a would you rather or a quiz book, for example, then this would fall under this category here. Going back to the point of my free profitable niches video, the notary journal took a long time, but when I made that Christmas word search, the one I mentioned in that video, that literally took 1 day for Amazon to approve that book. So I made that November the 8th, it went live on November the 9th. So that was really weird to see. So these books, you're good. So 1 to 3 days, so no worries there. So the implications of these waiting times essentially means that you want to be putting your books out there no later than, you know, the cutoff date, and the cutoff date is generally December the 23rd. This is what I found from 2019 anyway. So Amazon put a little bar to tell customers if their book is going to arrive in time for Christmas or not. And if it does, then it's a green bar that says will arrive before Christmas. And if it doesn't, then it's red and it says will arrive after Christmas. And from December the 23rd, that's when the bar changes from green to red. So that's generally the cutoff, because people aren't going to buy your book if it comes after Christmas. They might do, but generally not to the levels that you've seen in the Q4 sales. So that's our cutoff time. So with the wait times taken into consideration, your low content books, so your notebooks, your journals, logbooks, and all that should be published by December the 13th latest. So that's literally within 3 weeks time or less. And remember, these wait times change as well. It might get longer. So this obviously this cut-off time, December the 13th, will also change. Like if it takes you 12 days, 13 days, the move is back to December the 10th. So literally that's the sort of time frames we are working with right now, guys. All other books like your high contents, your activity books and things like that, you can publish them by December the 22nd latest. If they're seasonal though, you don't want to be leaving it till December the 22nd to publish it. You want to publish it a lot before, so you can squeeze in as much sales before Christmas as you can. So with all this taken into consideration, make sure that these next few weeks that you are publishing are as productive as possible. If you've got a lot planned, then cancel those plans. Do try and publish as much as you can, because this is where you'll make the most sales. Like this is the difference literally between a good Christmas sales and an amazing Christmas sales period, guys. So make these next few weeks count. The later you leave a book, the less opportunity of sales it has. So that's really the bottom line to it, guys. But yeah, they've made the slide as well, workarounds. I haven't found any. I've tried a few settings differences. I've been trying to put books into different marketplaces as my primary one, so like the UK for example, but it doesn't seem to affect it. So that doesn't work. The only one that could work is using your own ISBN. So for most of my books, I'll use Amazon's free one. But if you use your own ISBN, it seems to get approved faster. This is just through my experience. I've not actually tried it for notebooks and journals. When I use my own ISBN, I only use it for higher content books, for example, so that I can sell it on different marketplaces outside of Amazon, for example. So I've not tried it for notebooks, and I'm not sure it will work or not. And ISBNs cost money, so if you plan to publish a couple hundred notebooks, then slapping your own ISBN on each of those books might get a little bit expensive. So take this one with a pinch of salt. If you do want to look into your own ISBNs, the website is called Bowker, so BOWKER for the US, and it's Nielsen for the UK. But guys, yeah, that's really it from me. I hope this has been helpful and insightful into sort of wait times you can expect when publishing your books onto Amazon. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.